Nĩ mũcemanio ũrĩa ũrongoreirio kũguna aikari a matũũra marĩa mariganĩtie na rũnyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Meru, Tigania na Mburi, kũrĩa gũkoretwo na ciĩko cia andũ gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ nyamu cia gĩthaka. Mũcemanio ũyũ ũrehete hamwe rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kuma kaunti ya Meru na gĩkundi kĩa Born Free, ataaramu a mathomo megiĩ mĩtaratara ĩrĩa yagĩrĩirwo kũrũmĩrĩrwo kũhukia tharĩkĩra cia nyamu cia gĩthaka kũrĩ andũ arĩa maikaraga hakuhĩ na nyanjara cia nyamu.
We are going to partner in capacity building, especially our group of people in the villages called the CHVs, so that at least we can be able to improve their capacity to be able to render better services to the people of Meru.
There are certain areas in this part of Meru where people are not really knowledgeable about wildlife. We'll go into those areas and we'll basically educate them on wildlife, and you'll see, definitely we'll see a decrease in conflict.
Eventually they have that animal-human conflict, but this can be prevented if everybody is sensitive to the environment, ensuring that all the resources in the environment are shared equally. Like that water accessing the animals in the park, eventually that will maintain the animals in the park.
O mũtaratara-inĩ ũcio, arĩa othe mena nguraro iria ciumanĩte na tharĩkĩra cia nyamu cia gĩthaka nĩ mekwamũkĩra ũrigiti oro ũndũ ũmwe na mahiũ mao kũrigitwo mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩgwatanagio rĩrĩa ciakuruhana na nyamu cia gĩthaka.
We want to educate our people about the dangers of eating the bush meat, which has not been inspected. So we want them to avoid that, so that at least we can be able to control some of the zoonotic diseases from such animals, and so that we don't have anybody having so many challenges with those diseases.
And we as Born Free, that is one of our areas where we work on when it comes to talking to people, outreach work, both outreach to the community and also to schools. So
Gerifotrai Noro TV, Jitagwo Jenga, Wabui.